How you doing today?
Good, thank you. Thanks for asking.
That is awesome. So are you familiar with Miss Dig?
Sort of.
Sort of. What does that mean?
I've heard of it.
Have you ever used Miss Dig?
No.
Okay, so what have you heard about Miss Dig?
That if you're going to put a gas line in, call first.
That's right. Actually, if you're going to do any type of excavation or any digging at all, you should call 811 or go online to missdig811.org.
Thank you. I now know that.
That's right. All right. Thank you, Bob, for participating, and we'll see you later.
Thank you. And have a good day.
You too. Thank you for watching, and remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.